issues notice against DSS director. The court, in the notice dated October 18, 2024, and signed by its registrar, threatened that the DSS boss would be committed to prison if he continued to disobey the court order by denying the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, NNAMDI KANU, access to his lawyers. On Friday, the Federal High Court in Abuja issued a notice of consequence against Adeola Ajayi, the Director General of the Department of State Service, DSS, for contempt of court. The notice read, "Take note that unless you obey the directions contained in this order, by allowing the applicant counsel to conduct the court order visitations with the applicant on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, you will be guilty of contempt of court and will be liable to be committed to prison." Confirming the development, KANU Special Counsel Barrister Aloy Ejemato said that the notice by the court was necessitated by the DSS repeated disobedience of the court order 3 days in a week visitation of the KANU by his lawyers. This is a shocking revelation. Nigeria is such a lawless country. Imagine where a serving officer, a civil servant, disobeying Supreme Court order, where a president of a country does not obey law of his nation. The court order his subject will do the same. Why is the judge coming up with a threat rather than sanction the director, the DSS boss? Whosoever disobey the law should be made to face the consequences. However, KANU case is overstretched. Nigerians are looking for a political solution to his case if the matter could not be solved judicially. NNAMDI KANU is a Nigerian like Sunday Igboho, who recently visited UK embassy seeking support for a Yoruba nation. What is good for the goose should be good for the gender. What offense has the Igbos committed? What offense has KANU committed? Was it not the same fight the Yorubas are fighting for their own nation, that the Igbos are also agitating for their own Biafra? Why is the case of the Igbos different? Why? What have the Igbos done to deserve this? Could this be an act of jealousy? Or could it be that they were born to be punished both by the Yorubas and the northern leaders? Well, this whole thing seems unbelievable. It sounds unbelievable. To be clear, this notice is a quasi-criminal judicial process that for anyone disobeying a court order of the penal consequences of such misconduct. Therefore, if the Director General of DSS persists on this ignorable path, he will leave us with no other opinion than to commence vigorous contempt proceeding against him. Who is he? Is he above the law? Even the president is not above the law. If he has gone against the law, then the law should visit him. The consequences are there. It's well spelled out. What is so special that they should be giving him notice of consequence? This is not the first one, nor the second. So he should be made to face the law. He should not be reminded at all times. Yes. Dear listeners, what are your stake on this? What do you think? Is the government doing the right thing? Is the court, by issuing this notice, done well? Or they are to use the law to visit the DSS boss? Comment, share, and follow us for more updates.